So I'm here with the new fly rod. Not having a whole lot of luck, just caught one hand size little trout, and that's about it. Lovely area though. Some of you will recognise this joint. They're having a great time regardless of the fish. Whew. Oh, I'll tell you what, these wading boots which I bought recently are 300 times better than the rock fishing boots I was wearing before. I think I would have been in at least a couple of times by now. Half the challenge is getting across these things. Oh, a path, it's always nice. And number 2 crossing. This one's actually pretty slippery, so don't be surprised if I go in. Water's rushing pretty hard here as well. And there you have it, nearly in. I was able to support with one arm, catch myself just. Water's nice and fresh, freezing in fact. Ooh. There we go, there we go. No wriggly sticks spotted so far. Thank God for that. Sound effects and all. Now for yours, all your viewers, I don't actually think I've mentioned this on my channel, but I've had some knee procedures recently. Something called a PRP injection. I couldn't go downhill very well because I had a little tear in my patella tendon. So those PRP injections, these PRP injections, they inject directly into the area and it promotes your body's growth of what it needs. So a new tendon in this case, or an improved tendon. I've gone from about a 9mm tear to a tear which is less than 1 mil. I couldn't do this. Well, I did it last time I was here with Matt, but not with such ease. He says, while struggling. Whew. I think that's the worst of it, until we get to some more slippery rocks in the stream. But yeah, this procedure I had, bloody painful, but so far bloody effective too. And here is slippery rocks. This could be difficult. It's quite a bit of water from all the recent rain. Gonna have to concentrate here. It's just a lot of silt on all the rocks.
Be very careful, you just slide. Damo, walk up the grass and come down a bit deeper. I went down the way you're going and I just slid.
Okay. Good warning from the guide, Matt. Alright, here we go. Probably the deepest part. Balls deep, maybe. Might get that arm ready this time. It's a brace on this rock. Right here. The other side. There you go. Woo. Balls deep. Now planting a foot little by little here. That's the goal. As much as that's possible. This is not good. Yeah, because the water's coming behind you, right?
Yeah.
That makes it a hell of a lot harder.
Well, when you try to walk into it, I think you find it harder.
Yeah?
You just let your foot go and sort of slide into the hole.
Yep. Oh, crossing 3. Gonna start with this Royal Humpy, kinked up and ready to go. Nope. Matt reckons that the wet flies might work today, but I went dry, mostly because it was what was tied on from yesterday. Beautiful casts. Casting well to start with, that's a good sign. Cast and move, cast and move. Swirl behind that rock. Nobody home. Go with another one there, I think. Right up against the rocks there. Very hard to see obviously on the camera, but right up against the rocks. Nope. Over there, in faster water. Nope. No action. Crossing number 4. Again, slippery. A little bit less depth to it, which is good. It's only calves knees. Doesn't make it any less dangerous or difficult. Well, Matt's going that way, I better follow him. Wibble wobble. And we're there. Good times. Doing a little bit of bush bashing. Still got the river just over there. A little bit of bashing. And then I think we got one more crossing. And Matt is powering. And I'm puffing. So wading boots together with quick dry pants, neoprene socks. That's the only way to do these apparently. So I'm told, so I've learnt. Because I tried it with all sorts of other things like big ass waders. Just shorts and rock shoes. Not great. And very hard. Crossing 5 meters. At least it's super hard. It was moving quick. Real quick. Alright, go through. Alright, second run for the day, still on the Royal Humpy.
You have to fish up and change to double again.
I got one.
Run to the side.
I'm just trying to bank this fish slowly. Maybe just legal. You bugger, come back here. Very, very nice. It's probably a bit small, hey?
No, it's legal.
Oh yeah, my newfound technique, right? Oh, I nearly tore my pants.
And that shouldn't be cut out of the video too.
Oh, it's well over 30.
25.
Sorry, 25, yeah.
Yeah, I reckon it's got 25. As long as it's in the butt of the rod, but it's in the butt of the rod.
Beyond the butt, yeah. Alright, lovely, you're coming home, mate. Completely missed that hook up, but a nice little trout. Been edging 30. So no monster, but happy days. Not bad, no complaints. I'm just going to get another couple of casts up here. The dry fly I'm using just here should be good. Hopefully. Let's have a look. There's a fair bit of bug life out suddenly with the sun coming out, which is hopefully a good sign for the fishing. And we can get one more. Hopefully this time with a hook up. We'll see. of wind to contend with here as well. Barely see my fly. And I've got the camera on, of course. Nothing will hook up.